Airbus to equip long-haul passenger jets with ejectable black boxes. Airbus is looking to install ejectable flight recorders on its long-haul A380 and A350 passenger jets. An ejectable flight recorder combines both cockpit voice and flight data recorders. Located at the rear of the plane, it would automatically eject in the event of a crash. It is equipped with an airbag system that allows it to stay afloat. It can also emit satellite distress signals with details of the location of the crash. Divers retrieved the cockpit voice recorder from AirAsia Flight QZ8501 on Tuesday, a day after recovering the flight data recorder. The Airbus A320 lost contact on December 28th while flying to Singapore from Surabaya.
See a story that really should be animated? Suggest stories to Tomo News now.